My second task is now to configure the Linux server. First, I create a non-root user. I'm going to run the command sudo yes add user. So I'm creating my user. As you can see, I'm updating my system packages, as you can see from the command below. Now that my system is secure and up to date, so I'm going to install and enable OpenSSH. I've tried and confirmed that the SSH is running. Finally, I'm going to demonstrate some basic system administration commands, such as I've used df-h to demonstrate the disk space, free-h to check memory, top to monitor system performance, and lastly, I'm using who am I to confirm the logged in user. I am installing Apache now. We can also confirm that Apache is running on this VM. As you can see, I'm currently trying to remove the default page for the Apache web directory that I'm going to create a new one.